Highway surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of road infrastructure. In Noida Extension, a rapidly growing area in Uttar Pradesh, the presence of skilled highway surveyors is essential to ensure the smooth functioning of the road network. These professionals are responsible for conducting surveys and collecting data related to the construction and maintenance of highways in the area. By using advanced technologies and equipment, such as GPS devices and total stations, highway surveyors are able to accurately measure and map out the terrain, identify potential obstacles, and determine the best routes for highways. One important aspect of highway surveying is the design of SCON, or Sub-Collector Office Node. This refers to the intersection or junction where two or more highways meet. The design of SCONs is crucial to ensure the safe and efficient movement of vehicles, as well as to minimize congestion and accidents. Highway surveyors in Noida Extension are responsible for designing SCONs that meet the specific requirements of the area, taking into consideration factors such as traffic volume, vehicle types, and pedestrian flow. The process of designing SCONs involves a comprehensive analysis of the existing road network and traffic patterns. Highway surveyors collect data on traffic volume, speed, and flow at various intersections and road segments. This information is then used to identify areas where improvements are needed, such as widening lanes, adding turning lanes, or installing traffic signals. By using advanced software and modeling techniques, highway surveyors can simulate different scenarios and evaluate the impact of proposed design changes on traffic flow. In Noida Extension, where urbanization is rapidly increasing, the role of highway surveyors in designing efficient SCONs becomes even more important. Highway surveyors are essential to the construction and upkeep of road infrastructure. Highway surveyors with the necessary training are required in Noida Extension, an area of Uttar Pradesh that is constantly expanding, to ensure the proper operation of the road network. These experts are in charge of doing research and gathering information regarding the development and upkeep of local highways. Highway surveyors are able to precisely measure and map the terrain, detect potential problems, and choose the best routes for roadways by employing cutting-edge tools and technologies like GPS devices and total stations. The design of SCON, or Sub-Collector Office Node, is a crucial component of highway surveys. The intersection or junction where two or more roadways converge is referred to here. To ensure the efficient and safe circulation of cars, as well as to reduce traffic and accidents, SCON design is essential. Highway surveyors in Noida Extension are in charge of creating SCONs that adhere to local criteria, taking into account elements like traffic volume, vehicle kinds, and pedestrian flow. An extensive investigation of the current road network and traffic patterns is required when developing SCONs. Highway surveyors gather information about the amount, pace, and flow of traffic